Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. Today, I did not think I was going to be filming, and so I have no makeup or anything prepared, but I got something very exciting in the mail and I just wanted to share, so quick backstory. I have been searching for a Switch for a while. My boyfriend actually wanted to buy me one a couple months ago, and I was like, I have no interest in a Switch, I don't need a Switch. Then Animal Crossing came out, and I got a little bit of FOMO, and we have been looking tirelessly for the past couple of days for a Switch, and they are obviously sold out everywhere. We tried looking on OfferUp, on eBay. There's a lot of sketchy people, so they ended up getting some Switch Lites in stock at Best Buy, and we went for it. So let's just go and unbox this because I'm so excited to play. Oops. Okay, wait, this is not easy to open. Okay, there we go. Alright, here we go. Let's just put that in. Here she is. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's such a cute color. Right. So we have the Switch. And I believe all else that is in here is the massive charger. So there is that. Some ASMR for you guys. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. So there's the front. You are stacked up on books and shoe boxes. And there is the back. It's not focusing for some reason, but it is very light. It feels good. I was a little bit worried. I have smaller hands, so I think that this might be a better fit for me than the Switch, because the Switch is like this plus a Joy-Con, and I've held it. It's pretty like hefty. The screen size still, actually, it looks good to me. I was worried the screen size was going to be a little small. This one has the D-pad. I know that the regular Switch does not. Yeah, that's about it. It's so cute, guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's nice. It's a nice like matte feel. So yeah, this is pretty comfy. I'm so excited. Yeah, if the Animal Crossing Switch comes back in stock though, I will 100% be buying that. Let's see if we can turn it on, if it's charged at all. Oh, is it working? I love that. What a fun way to like be intro to it. Super cute. I also wanted the Animal Crossing carrying case because I was like, I want something Animal Crossing, but that is also sold out. This Joy-Con feels like interesting. I don't know. Oh shoot, I forgot my Wi-Fi password. Cute. Alright, well I think I'm going to end the video here. I'm going to finish setting this up. Pretty short unboxing. There's literally only two things in here, so I am super excited. If you want to get a Switch, I highly suggest looking at Best Buy, maybe GameStop. I know that they still have a lot of bundles available. If not, they are set to restock in June. I just didn't want to wait that long. So just wanted to hop on real quick and do a quick unboxing for you guys. I am gonna go play Animal Crossing now for the next month or two. But thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye!